All right, so I've had a few questions about different types of cement finishes. And it just so happens I'm working on putting a a rock salt finish on these steps right now. And I just thought I'd do a quick video about the application. Now, you can see, you can kind of see if I hold it up, you can see it's got rock salt all over it. Here's the rock salt that I'm using. It's just salt crystals for your pool, water softener, your pool, or whatever you're using it for. And basically, it's really simple. You want to wait for the cement to set up just a little bit. If you wait too long, you're not going to be able to get the salt into the cement. If you wait, if you go too quick, the rock salt just disappears into the cement. So you got to wait till it's, the cement goes off a little bit, it starts to harden. And then what you want to do with the rock salt is you take it like so. Let me show you right here. You can see these steps down here don't have anything on them. So I just take the rock salt like so, and all you have to do is just kind of throw it down. Throw it down with a little bit of force so that it actually goes and penetrates the cement and leaves the little divots. The reason why we use rock salt is very simple. You can sweep it away, and what doesn't get swept away will just break down over time and disappear, and leave that nice mid-century cement finish. You saw, they did it a lot it's very popular in the mid-century to see rock salt cement finish. It's not necessarily, I wouldn't call it an anti-slip surface. It's still pretty slick. So in a lot of areas where you're doing cement work per code, you still probably have to do a brush finish or something that's got a little more slip resistant quality to it. But aesthetically, I prefer the rock salt finish over the brush finish. I think it gives it a nice organic feel. And you're putting it down organically, and you're using an organic material, and it gives it that look, that fossilized look. So I mean, really, that's it. It's that simple. The harder it gets, the harder you have to throw it down to make it penetrate. So if it's pretty hard and you notice the rocks aren't going in, you're gonna have to really fling it down at the ground. If it's soft, just drop it in. You want to be able to see the top half of the salt. If it's disappearing, it's too soft. If the whole piece of salt is sitting on top, it's too hard. It's that simple. So good luck on your rock salt finish, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.